Terra Classic today looks good compared to the past 7 days because Luna have actually increased. And in fact, in the past 24 hours, about $5 million have been pumped into Terra Classic coin. Yes, in the past 24 hours. And this is good. This is good for Terra Classic because every day Luna has been dropping. At least we are happy to see that a huge investment, a huge buy, maybe this might be coming from one of the big time investors because this money came almost at the same time. Over $5 million invested on Terra Classic. And Luna, if you compare Luna to yesterday and today, you got Luna have actually gained in terms of more market cap, more trading volume, and the price have also increased by 3%. And I think for me, before the end of the week, before the end of this week, if Luna can manage to hit back at $500 million market cap, it is going to be good for Terra Classic. But I still stand on what I used to say before. As in the past 1 month, I've been saying this: do not invest on Terra Classic. Even though recently some people are buying Terra Classic coin, okay, there's a little changes. Luna might rise. That doesn't mean that is going to mark the beginning for Terra Classic to be rising up. But for now, I think one need to hold. But I'm happy that today, at least today, Terra Classic have actually gained. And this will result to more burning today. Yes, at least 1% of that investment will be destroyed. 1% of that will be destroyed. For Terra Classic, the only way I believe one can make money right now with Terra Classic is for a long time investment, not a short time. Yes, Terra Classic cannot return even from now to the end of the year. I don't think one can make good, tangible profits with Terra Classic in the next 6 months. But I know anything can happen. But give it 2 years, give it 3 years, give it 5 years. Okay? I believe that Luna might be able to hit over 1,000% and above in the long time run. Okay, in the long time run. So for today, I'm happy to see that Terra Classic $5 million price pumped into Luna. This is good. And of course, we also saw some other crypto coins pumping today, and I'm happy. But one thing still remains: Bitcoin still remains at where it is. Bitcoin have been trading at 29,000 plus for almost days without dropping to 28,000, neither hitting 30,000. BTC had been trading at the same price. So I don't know, but I believe that when BTC will start pumping, it is going to massively rise. If you take the history of Bitcoin, some years you see BTC dropping. Maybe the next year you see Bitcoin rising. Last year, Bitcoin really dropped. Last year, 2022. Though this year, BTC managed to rise. Because remember, BTC dropped up to $14,000 price. And today it's trading at 29,000. So definitely, Bitcoin have achieved a lot already this year. So I believe more rise will be coming. BTC is going to rise more, and I believe that before the end of next year, 2024, 2025, it might also hit over 300 to 500% in the next 2 years. Already this year, BTC have hit over 100%. If you compare this from the price it was trading as of last year, even as of December 2022, Bitcoin was trading between $14,000 and $15,000. And since then, this coin are able to hit 35,000, which is good. So I believe Bitcoin is going to rise. It also affect most crypto coins like Terra Classic with rise. So I'm happy that BTC have already hit, like I said, over 100%, half of the year already. So the many half, I still believe BTC can still hit another 100% before the end of the year, which means BTC might be able to hit $55,000 to $60,000 or more before the end of this year, 2023. And I also believe Terra Classic can also hit between 200% to 500% if they start doing well. Yes, if they start doing well. So this year still remain good. cannot compare this year and last year. This year is much, much better. I mean, more profitable to crypto traders, more profitable to crypto investors. Okay, most profitable to crypto companies than it was last year, 2022. Let's watch and see. Thank you. This is not a financial advice. Thank you for stopping by.